Hello, my name is Tabrez Khan. Today I'm going to discuss about the computer vision related project. So this project basically will discuss about the face and eye detection. So basically what we are going to do, we are going to use the har cascade frontline face default.xml. So this is a classifier. So we will use this classifier to detect the face eye on any images. So first we will do this one. This is they detect the face. Second, we'll do the they will detect the face as well as an eye, like this application. And third, we'll discuss about the live, like with the web camera, they will detect the face, and then they will detect the eyes and faces. Okay, so basically we are going to use like first I'm going to discuss about this program. So we are going to use OpenCV Cascade Classifier function. This is a Cascade Classifier function, and they will we already install this file. You can find this file over the internet, and we'll save this file and on this folder. So on the same directory, if you see here, on the same directory, I installed, this is a folder, I save my file. Okay, this har cascade frontline default.xml file, and then we taken our image. This is our image. We store on one folder. Okay, on the same path, and then we convert that image into the grayscale image. After that, we use our classifier to return the ROI of detected face as a tuple. It stores the top left coordinate and bottom right coordinate. So if you see, this function detect multi-scale of a face classifier. Okay, so they will, what they will do, they will just see the function definition. They have scale factor is there, and they have minimum neighborhoods are there. So we use scale factor is 1.3 and minimum neighborhood is a 5. So on this basis, they will detect the object of different size input images, and detected object are written as a list of rectangles. Okay, so they will store on the faces, and then we return if face is not there, they will say no face is found. And then finally we draw the rectangle on our, when they detect the face, they will draw the rectangle on that part. So if you run this program, so they will draw this rectangle, they detect the face, and they draw the rectangle over the faces. Okay, now we'll combine the face as well as an eye. So now another function, another cascade classifier we use, that is called har cascade eye.xml. You can find this file over the internet easily. Okay, so this is the first face classifier, and second one is a eye classifier. So we use the OpenCV, and with this OpenCV, they have methods are there, cascade classifier. So we wrote this file, and then we taken the our images, and then we convert into the gray scale image, and same thing we use the default multi-scale. They have, this is a factors, and another is called minimum neighborhood. So they identify the faces. If faces is there, it's okay. If no, it will say message this one. Then we run the loop. We make a rectangle of our face, and we make the rectangle over our eyes. So if you run this program, see, they detect the eyes, they detect the eyes, and then it will be okay. Now last, we will make the live face eye detection. Okay, so if you see here, same functions are there, and here what we are doing, we are capture the our camera. Okay, video capture webcam, we will capture with this simple function we store in a cap, and then we read this frame of our webcam, and we pass into this function face detector. So face detector is this function. We pass on this function that image with this some size, then we convert into the grayscale images. We use the same function detect multi-scale, and they pass with the minimum neighborhood, and then They will, if face is there, then they will return the images, they will make the rectangle, and finally they will return the ROI of the images. They flip that images and they will return that images. So if you run this application, see, this eye is detecting and this one. Okay. So this is overall. So we use the cascade classifier and we find our face and eye on this project. Thank you very much.